Hi guys, my name is Pratik Ambastha. I have done ME in IT and B in computers. Overall, I am having 8 years of teaching experience in teaching quant and LRDI for CAT. So now from today onwards on CAT4MBA channel, I am going to start a course of geometry. So ठीक है, arithmetic is going to be quite important section for all of you. You can expect approximately 12 questions to 14 questions from arithmetic in your CAT examination. But geometry is going to be that section which will move your result towards actually 100 percentile. And trust me, geometry is going to be quite easiest chapter. I'm going to use basic aspects of geometry to deal each and every equation. So these are going to be the course detail. I'm going to start with geometry as a chapter in which I'll cover lines, then triangles, then polygons, and then circle. Then I'll see mensuration. In mensuration, I'll cover 2D and 3D figure ka mensuration. And then we'll see coordinate geometry, and after that we'll see trigonometry. So from today onwards, that means 15th of January 2021, I'll be starting course of geometry and timing will be 10 p.m. to 9 p.m. So now these are details related to plus subscription. If you are among those students who want to start your preparation for anyways CAT 21 or 22, you can choose either of these two courses, and don't forget to use PA10 as your discount code if you want to avail 10% off on that. So this is going to be the final fee that you need to pay. For 1 year you need to pay 15,750 rupees, and for 24 months you need to pay 18,900 rupees. So thank you. See you soon.